we proudly present the new sample book dedicated to saddle stitching, a simple, elegant, and highly versatile binding method, perfect for publications of up to 96 pages. We're excited to introduce the Sample Book Booklet. The booklet's bound with 2 metal staples for secure page binding. The cover's printed on 200 GSM matte-coated paper and finished with a matte lamination, giving it a smooth, pleasant-to-touch surface while protecting it from damage. As always, when you open the sample book, you'll find a special introduction that offers insight into the technologies used at Books Factory. It's a short but informative presentation of our production facilities. Next, you'll find a practical example of how this binding's used. Our very own Printing Matters magazine. It's a showcase of what a local magazine might look like. But saddle stitch binding is also perfect for catalogs, manuals, promotional materials, educational content, or even comics. No matter what type of publication you're planning, we offer complete flexibility when it comes to format. You can order anything from a handy pocket-size edition about 68 by 68 millimeters to much larger publications. Our Sample Book Booklet significantly speeds up the decision-making process when choosing a print type. Instead of guessing what the final product will look like, you can see it, touch it, and feel it. It's a tangible example of the quality we deliver. Get in touch with our sales team and we'll send you a free copy. See it for yourself before you decide. Sample at booksfactory.eu.